Take a look at this 2008 Holden Commodore. If you're looking for a vehicle with great attributes, look no further.
With a reliable 6-cylinder engine connected to a smooth shifting 5-speed automatic transmission. Plus, enjoy these notable features that are included in this ride: cruise control, central locking, power windows, an alarm system, a CD player, auxiliary input for your MP3 player, an adjustable tilt steering wheel, ventilated disc brakes, side airbag, stability control.
Stand out from the crowd with premium wheels. The anti-lock braking system will help deliver you safely to your destination.
And for your peace of mind, the following safety equipment is included. Find out all you need to know to purchase this vehicle today.